In this episode of Sailing Nandji, we head out to the islands to hide away from some bad weather and prepare Nandji for what hopefully is another trip out to see the Great Barrier Reef.
How much fuel do we have now, Yosh?
I'll just check with our
Handy
on our gauge.
of a broomstick.
We can hold 220 litres. Magic number is 115. Gotta check the donk, make sure the donk's tip top. Beautiful. Where are we going? We're gonna go check out some inlets, eh?
Yeah, so we're going to Hook Island. There's some inlets there to go and explore. We've got some cool stuff to look at. We've got about a few days of bad weather. We'll hang out there, and then we followed by around 4 days of nice weather. So we'll head out to the reef and make the most of it. Yeah. So I think it'll probably be a week on the ocean we've got. So we're just preparing ourselves for a nice journey.
Well, I broke the chain that you had on me. I threw it down, then I walked away. How you my name? It echoed loudly to those around, leaving no shame.
So we've cut across the Whitsunday passage again. Getting pretty confident of that now. It's just a breeze, really. We're going into Nara Inlet. It's got a waterfall at the end when it rains, and it is meant to rain. Should be quite pretty.
Like Bonita.
Like Bonita.
There it is. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes like you used to. I know that you're gonna.
Comfy, Marley. I know it.
We were excited about seeing the waterfall, so we weren't worried about getting wet. When we arrived at the end of the inlet, the rain had stopped and it was nice and still.
Is that a waterfall in the background?
There's a waterfall. Hell yeah. Just no waterfalling. We left the dry waterfall and went barefoot exploring. More rain came, so we returned back to Nandji, tucked ourselves in and woke up the next day to this.
too much for the waterfall. I think the tide's dropped. After rescuing the tender, we set off barefoot exploring again, this time to check out some ancient Aboriginal paintings in a cave. After witnessing this magical piece of history, we pulled anchor and made our way around to the other side of Hook Island in preparation of heading out to the reef the next day.
And so I woke to the sun on the window of my car, and I said, woke to the summer on my window. And I miss you most when the sunlight filters across the...
Just about to pass through the narrows of Hook and Hayman as we make our way out to the reef. Our nice protected anchorage that we always stay at is good in every other direction but southwest, and the southwest blew in early last night, so we rock and rolled a bit. Get out there first thing this morning because the wind's meant to full drop out, be Gary Glass off afternoon, so get out there as quick as we can.
Pretty calm looking ocean this time.
Just prepare for these sails. We'll go full sail, but we might be going pretty slow, I think.
I don't think Mother Nature knew there was meant to be wind. On went the engine and we settled into our books, casually cruising out to the reef. We tried some new sailing techniques and pulled out the headsail for the first time, but there wasn't enough wind. We spotted a sea snake on the journey and turned around to go and check him out.
My boat's leaving today.
Our fishing rod went for a swim, and we've just got to the Great Barrier Reef. We're allowed to fish, so there's got to be fish. So I just found a bit of Dyneema, and we got the little Dorado catcher on. And the fish is dumb enough to eat that. Then we're gonna eat him.
Where to keeping me in stride. Gonna take another road. Gonna find myself some soul. Gonna do my best in every way to pay attention as I go.
So thank you for watching episode 5 of Sailing Nandji. We had an excellent time out at Nara Inlet.
Yeah, very happy to see a waterfall.
Beautiful.
Thanks to the new patrons for getting on board. It means a lot to us, the patrons, because every little cent helps us to keep creating our videos.
Yeah, which is what we want to do.
Which is what we want to do, and sailing is expensive. Well, living on a boat's expensive. We all know what boat stands for.
Bring out another 1,000.
Yeah, thanks very much to the new patrons, and please, jump on board and become a patron.
Thank you to our new subscribers. Welcome aboard. When we get to 20,000 subscribers, Yosh is going to cut a dread off.
Just one.
Just one.
One dread every 5,000 subscribers.
Yeah, it's what his mum wants.
For a very long time.
I think it's what some of you want too.
Yeah, so subscribe.
Subscribe.
We'll see you in episode 6.
See you in episode 6. We're out at the Great Barrier Reef doing our